Hello, and thank you for joining. My name is Ria Cotton. I'm the broker owner of Cotton Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to the virtual open house for 1642 4th Street in Richmond, California. Before we get into the property, I just want to let you know that this property is located in unincorporated Richmond, North Richmond to be exact. So it's actually governed by the county and not the actual city. So you want to do some due diligence and research on how that works and how that pertains to things such as rental laws and so have you. Okay. One great thing about North Richmond and why it's getting a lot of attention around the Bay Area is because of the new ferry that's opened just 10 minutes away. I have a little map here. And right here, we're 10 minutes from the Richmond Crane Pavilion, which is right next to the new Richmond Ferry that leads to that goes over to San Francisco. It's a nice ride. Um, and there's more information online on where you can get information about the ferry hours, but definitely it sparked an interest in people from the city, San Francisco, and other areas to think of Richmond as a place of their next residence due to the commuting and the stress that just being on the ferry and not being in traffic has on individuals. Now we will go into some more information. In addition to Richmond, the ferry, Richmond is really developing. So the surrounding areas around North Richmond are definitely developing. One great thing about Richmond is they have a new program called Richmond Promise, and this information was provided by the Richmond Housing Authority. But Promise is dedicating $35 million over 10 years to college readiness to support Richmond school districts. And in addition, um, there's the Richmond BART station. AC Transit runs all through North Richmond. They have a new co-working space for entrepreneurs called CoBiz. There's some other industrial companies that are coming into the area to bring life into Richmond. This is a little information about the Parks and Recreation. There's also a performing arts venue that's located in Richmond. A lot of things to discover in this city if you are not from the city and want to learn more. Again, I mentioned transportation. So we have BART, we have access to Amtrak, AC Transit, and of course, the new ferry. There's also a Kaiser Hospital in Richmond, if you weren't aware. And some information I have available about some businesses that have migrated and saw opportunity in the city of Richmond to start their businesses. There's a lot of commercial, industrial type areas outside of North Richmond, and it has a lot of opportunities. There's a lot of growth going on right now in North Richmond. These are some of the current developments. So as you can see, there are a few different projects, and one of the projects for housing for seniors is actually not too far from the property, 1642 4th Street. But these are some of the upcoming projects that are going on in the city of Richmond to increase home ownership and affordable housing as well. Now, North Richmond is somewhat of a square-like area within Richmond, but I just wanted to highlight. So right here, we have Silver Ave right in the middle, and 4th Street and Silver is where this property intersects. But we also have some sales within the area, and so I have that available. And this is just kind of mapping out the close list of the comps. What we have here is some of the recent sales within the area. And most recently, another new construction. This property is new construction But there is another new construction that sold just the end of this year, that we sold at 550, which is 200 Silver Ave. That one was a 3-bedroom. What I'll go over now with our 4th Street property is it actually is a 3-bedroom plus has an additional room downstairs that could be used as an office or a den. And also, I can provide to you by request these comparables, and you can just take a closer look at some of the houses that have sold within the area. Okay. This is again the Silver Ave house. This is another one that is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Um, not too far. So all of these properties are about a half a mile from our subject property. The highest sale within the area being a sale in April of this year at 637. So let's move on to looking at 1642 4th Street. So what I have provided here is a tour factory um, website that will give you some insight on the actual property. And then following the website, I will basically share a video of an actual walkthrough. But again, this home has 3 bedrooms, a 4th room that could be a bedroom or a den or office, 4 bathrooms, which is really the highlight of the property. All of the upstairs bedrooms have a full bathroom in each one of the bedrooms, and then there's a bathroom downstairs near the family room and kitchen area that also actually has a shower. So this is definitely a plus for a large family. Now I'm just going to go through some of the photos. So we're still in the construction phase. And so what I did is I took the opportunity to provide some virtual staging so that you can get a better idea of the property until we actually have photos of our completion. But we're pretty much right now putting in the cabinets in the kitchen and countertops and moving right along with the goal of completion for the end of May 2020. Okay, so what we have here is the front entry. So as you enter into the entry, there is a quaint little living room area or reading area when you first enter into the property. To the left would be the 2-car tandem garage, and that door is right here on the left side at the entry. The actual laundry is upstairs. So the laundry unit is actually upstairs. So there's plenty of room for parking and storage in the tandem garage. Okay, and this is a view of the front entry as well. I'm sorry, this is the next room, which is the downstairs bedroom that is an office den or could be a bedroom. We're still in the construction phase, so this could or could not possibly have a closet, but we're leading towards not having a closet in this space in the downstairs area. One good thing about the getting in contract with a new construction as well is if you get it at the right time, some of the amenities that you would like to see in the property could be negotiated in the contract. So as you can see, we're still building the stairs out and it's moving along quite nicely. This is the downstairs bathroom with shower. Then as we move down the hallway, you see that there is an open space for the actual family room, dining room, and kitchen. So right behind that rear wall will be the kitchen area. Here's another view of the dining area looking out into the backyard. It's a nice sized backyard with a dog run on the side. So there's side yard space as well if you have a pet or you're looking at gardening and keeping it separate from the backyard area. As we move upstairs, I want to start off with the master bedroom. So I have the master bedroom virtually staged to get an idea of the space and size. And then this is the master bedroom without it being virtually staged. Again, as I mentioned, the upstairs bedrooms all have bathrooms. So there is a shower that is in the master that has two vanities and a shower. This actual master doesn't have a tub. Okay, just another closer look at the shower area. Then we have the laundry room, which is nice and spacious, plenty of room for shelving. We have the middle bedroom, and this is the bathroom for the middle bedroom that also includes a tub. And we have at the rear of the house the third bedroom upstairs, as well as the third bedroom's bathroom, which also includes a tub. As you can see, there's a nice long driveway. So in addition to the tandem garage, you do have a driveway space in front of the home as well. And again, this is just an overview. 3 or 4 bedrooms, optional, 4 bathrooms, 2-car garage, approximately 1,867 square feet on a 3,000 square foot lot. Okay, so now in conclusion of the virtual tour, I'm just going to show you a quick walkthrough of the actual property as well. Broker owner of Cotton Realty, and I have a new construction listing for all interested parties. Please contact me at 510-385-0409 for more information. This property is located in North Richmond, and I'm just going to show you and give you a quick look around. This house is due for completion end of May 2020, but you can place an offer before the completion of the property. And we're just going to take a quick look around. We have a 2-car garage. So we have our tandem garage right here, as well as a long driveway. As we enter into the property, we have a living room space that could be used for an office or a quaint little meeting area, as well as a downstairs bedroom. The downstairs bathroom has a shower and has a total of 3 bathrooms. This is the family area, as well as a dining area and room for the kitchen. Also, you'll see there's a nice size backyard. Great for entertaining and not too much on maintenance. Also, if you're getting in at the early start of the construction phase, you can specify your interest in how you want the backyard developed. And we're going to take a look at the stairs. A long hallway with window lighting, a sitting area. If you can use your imagination, this is the master bedroom, which is huge, lots of windows, great light. And we have a hallway space. There may be a linen closet that could go right here. Walk-in closet space. And bathroom with double sinks. And a spa-like shower. Okay. for this property, we do have an upstairs laundry for convenience, as well as the second bedroom upstairs has a tub. Tons of great space, bathroom and bedroom size. And then we have third upstairs bedroom, which also has a bathroom. I'm sorry, there's actually 4 bathrooms in this property. Awesome space. It's what every family wants, everyone with their own bathroom. Again, this is Rhea Cotton with Cotton Realty. If you have any interest in this North Richmond property, remember North Richmond is growing fast. There's a lot of development in this area with the new ferry that leads to San Francisco. So 510-385-0409. Make me an offer.